Hey, Rigor here. Gonna work on the bad corner molding on the house. It's the trim piece. I'm assuming that when the gutter flew off, it took part of the corner molding with. And now I'm gonna do this at real time instead of a time lapse or a speed up. Might be a little long, but overall it took about 20 minutes. And this was the first one I did, so it'd give you an idea of what it takes to replace the corner molding. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Let's see. I've got a damaged piece of the corner trim for the siding. Probably ripped away by the hurricane when the gutter downspout disappeared. New piece of corner trim. I've already trimmed it on the top end to match the angle of the roof, and I've cut the length to match the old one. So what I'm doing now is cutting away part of the old corner trim. Doing, other than moving the ladder around, is cutting away the decorative piece of the corner trim, and I'm just leaving the old nailing strip and the part of the corner trim that the siding slides behind. And when I get this all cut away, and then I'll start to trim the replacement piece. Now what I'm doing, first I cut kind of an inch in from the edge of the corner piece, and what I'm trying to do is take the trim out. If you take a look at the lower part of the trim piece, you'll see where I've already done the lower half of the trim strip, and all that's left is the part that nails to the house and then wraps around the siding. And so I'm trying to get the middle part out, and this will allow me to expose the edge from behind. There'll be like a U-shaped channel, and what you do is you stick the razor knife in behind it, pierce the siding, and then slowly go down, and this will cut away the trim piece that is going to be replaced. It's working somehow. Now there's kind of a U-shaped channel remaining on the house, and I'm sticking my razor knife in this channel, piercing it, going through, and then going down the strip. So like what I've got is I've got a nailing strip. It wraps around, it goes over the siding, and that's what I want to have left, because that's what'll hold the replacement piece of siding on. Actually, if you look on YouTube, there's some very good videos on how to sit there and repair vinyl siding, and I've like watched this 4 times, and this is what I'm doing, and overall it appears to work.
There's the old piece off. And I've got to cut the new piece.
Now what I'm doing is I'm cutting the nailing strip off the 2 sides of the new corner trim. Since the old piece, that's what I've left on the house, I'm just going to create an edge that I can snap over what's left on the house and put the new corner trim on.
Well, let's see how good I did.
Well, here's the finished corner piece for the siding replacement. Now on this, I chose not to speed this up to show actually how long it took, and it was less than 20 minutes. So, hope it didn't bore you with what was going on. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.